Good morning guys, and thank you for stopping by. This is Ricardo and Julia from Bronza Media. Today we're gonna show you this beautiful theme park called Xel-Ha. More than a theme park, is a natural aquarium, and a lot of people go there with their families because there's like activities where the kids can do ziplining, cliff diving, and like bike riding. But me and Julia, we love to go here and just relax. So this video is more about the relaxation spots that you can find in Xel-Ha. By the way, this area, this natural park, it's located about 2.5 hours from Cancun. But honestly guys, the park is worth it. So we really hope you enjoy this video. Sit down, relax, and enjoy. Thank you for watching Bronza Media. Your friends Julia and Ricardo say hello. Have a wonderful time enjoying this video. Bye bye now.